Hello, my name is Anthony Santiago, and this is my presentation on how to make a carrot cake. Here is the table of contents, so you can go back and take a look if you want. Carrot cake is a sweet dessert. It is full of character when you layer it with delicious frostings and decorate it. The carrots give both color and texture to every bite. What makes it better than the rest is it is homemade. My grandmother makes it best. I will share with you the recipe and I will recommend you give it a try. To begin, you must gather all the ingredients. You can pause to take a look at the ingredients if you want, and we'll move on to the next page. The process of baking carrot cake. Second, you preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Third, you combine all the dry ingredients. Next, you crack 3 eggs and scramble them. Add the remaining wet ingredients. Then, you mix both wet and dry ingredients into a large mixing bowl. Finally, you pour the mix into a greased baking dish and place it in the oven. Allow cake to bake for 45 minutes at least. Lastly, you take it out the oven and let it cool for at least 15 minutes. Then you can decorate it. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Preheat the oven at 350 degrees. Step 2. Prepare baking pans. Add butter to greased pans, then sprinkle flour. Step 3. Allow ingredients to reach room temperature. Step 4. Stir dry ingredients together. Step 5. Combine butter and sugar. Step 6. Beat the eggs in a separate bowl, then add slowly to the butter and sugar mix. Step 7. Add the wet ingredients to the dry and mix together until all blended. Step 8. Pour batter into the baking pans. And Step 9. Bake for 45 minutes. Homemade cream cheese frosting. For many people, frosting is the best part of the dessert. I'm going to share with you a rich, sweet, and delicious frosting that will melt in your mouth. It is a combination of coconut, butter, eggs, and cream cheese. Be sure to follow my step-by-step instructions on how to make it. Make sure to have a nice tall glass of milk on the side. Don't forget to sprinkle some coconut shreds to decorate. Ingredients for cream cheese frosting. You can pause to take a look at the instructions while I go to the next page. Instructions for making frosting. Step 1. Beat cream cheese. Soften butter and vanilla together in a large bowl until it is light and creamy. Step 2. Add sugar to the mix and beat until smooth. Step 3. When cake is cooled, add frosting and place in refrigerator for 15 minutes. Step 4. Decorate the cake and enjoy. Why carrot cake? One of my favorite holiday desserts is carrot cake. I like it because it is a homemade dish my grandmother has perfected. Although it is made of carrots, it tastes just like cake. The frosting melts in your mouth like butter and is sweet as candy. It tastes best heated up a little with a tall glass of cold milk. A cake that melts in your mouth and is filled with joy. Here is the link to the YouTube video, and that's it. Bye.